for cat with a meow so sweet. D is for dog with paws and feet. E is for elephant, big and brave. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for hat, a funny scene. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for juice, that helps you grow. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a roar and a sigh. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, where birds find bees. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, all colors come down. U is for sun, shining so bright. U is for train, chugging in the night. U is for umbrella, keeping us light. V is for van, driving by. W is for whale, big and blue. U is for xylophone, play just for you. U is for yogurt, creamy and sweet. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. U is for yogurt, creamy and sweet. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat.